Hello, today we're going to speak with Kamil about technical leadership on Next.js project. Kamil, I'm very happy to have you here on this conversation. So let's get started. Kamil, please share your backgrounds, something about your story about becoming a team leader.
Okay, so hello, my name is Kamil, and from the start of my programming career, I have specialized in Next.js and React. These frameworks are the foundation of my work and technologies in which I feel highly confident and skilled. Before I joined this team as a leader, I gained experience in various companies, in various software houses, in different domains because I have worked in on medical applications, also on real estate application, and a few more. And this experience provided me with a strong technical base and allowed me to understand the developing of large-scale projects. And additionally, I led projects in a coding school because I also a front-end coach in a online programming school. And this helped me develop leadership and communication skills. And with this, I understand what the team leader role is, and I felt, thanks to this, prepared for it. My expectations were clear because I need to combine the team management with technical challenges. I was confident that I could bring fresh perspective and stability and support to the project that would help the team overcome daily challenges.
Okay, nice. I'd like to add some context of the project. So we have a client, and we're working with this client for around 8 years or so, very long time. And this client, the company name is Proved, wanted to release a new digital product in new technology, and for established company, sometimes it's hard to release new project when they're working on the older project and with the current team. So they decided to speak with us to kick off the project, and they wanted a solid team. So we collected a team for the project, and the team was containing our devs, our QA, and also person from the company. We had some turbulences on this project, and we had to replace previous team leader. So we replaced the previous team leader with Kamil, and Kamil took the lead on the project. And Kamil, before joining this project, of course, you had some expectations about your role and daily responsibilities. Can you tell me and our audience what are your current responsibilities, and how it's or maybe it's not different than your expectations before joining the role?
Yes, so as a team leader, my daily work includes overseeing the team, reviewing pull requests, estimating new tasks, and also discussing upcoming feature with the client. And I face daily challenges with managing technical debt because the project that we're working on, like the application, is now 2 years old or maybe three. And we not only need to deliver value to the client, but also ensure the quality of our code and application performance. And typical challenges include time management and resolving technical issues as they arise to keep the project moving forward smoothly. Every day, I strive to balance between programming and supporting the team to make sure everyone is agile and can work efficiently.
Yes, and I also hear that your job is also to help manage expectations because you as a technical leader, you have your technical goals for the project, like decrease technical debt, have the latest technologies, and maybe the business perspective is add new feature and focus on new developments rather than refactoring and managing technical debt. So I think this is also pretty tough task to handle, and also the communication of those expectations, and also helping business make decisions. Okay, today on this sprint we're going to implement new feature, or we will assign some time for this technical, maybe non-functional work, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Okay, Kamil. So thanks for sharing your daily responsibilities. And I have a little surprise for you, because I collected some feedback from the team about your work and their feeling about you stepping in the leadership role. So I want to share it with you. So from Rafał, Kamil has very strong approach to every task. He doesn't look just on the surface of the requirements, but he digs deeper. You might say he creates extra work for himself by being so precise, but that's what's make him exceptional. He never ignores potential issues. So I think this is also very interesting. I don't know if it's a skill or approach to the project, that team leader is not just taking the task as it comes, but he looks from different
Out of the box, and
yes,
yeah.
out of the box. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I think also that this skill is very important, because thanks to this, we can like face when we working on task, we can facing issues before we we push this task to production or something like that. Because also in this proved company, in this application that we're working on, this is a large application. We have a lot of dependencies between a lot of settings, a lot of clients. So it's very important, because when we're working on small task and we, for example, type something wrong, or we do not spend too much time on thinking how this can impact on other things. It can in the future it can be very strong to fix, because like this small small features can really impact on the application. And I think because of this thinking out of the box is really good to going forward with the application.
Yes, agree. Okay, do you want next feedbacks?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is from Marek. When I think about Kamil's start with us, I see that there was no really adjustment period. He fit instantly if he'd been part of the project forever. As a team leader, he brought this amazing fresh energy that spread through the team. He reminded me why I fell in love with programming in the first place. I think this is very very
Yeah,
deep
it's good to
feedback.
hear.
Yes, and it's nice to hear, because Yeah, reminding Mark is in programming for a lot of time, and reminding this, you know, this first feeling of uh, falling in love with programming is strong. So thanks for thanks for that. Kamil, do you still love programming or just love leading?
No, I think I love more programming of the leading, but
Mm-hmm.
because when I work in different companies, I only programming. But I think thanks to this that I spend time on programming and also on leading,
Mm-hmm.
this helps me to work because
Mm-hmm.
you can split your work not only to typing into your keyboard, but also you can spend the time on thinking about big picture, or
Yes.
also spend time on meetings to resolve issues and facing new features. So for
Mm-hmm.
me, it's a really good role.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. I think that for the developers to become team leader, they need to be good at programming first. But then this technical skills can be a blocker, because then they might become dependency on the project. So then it's after sometimes important that team leader is sharing responsibility with the team, because that's how team can grow. So we are not creating dependency on one person in the project, but we're responsible for making the whole development team work without any problems, and grow together. Okay, so I have the last one from Hetal. um, Kamil's impact was felt immediately. He smoothly stepped into the leadership role and quickly improved our code review process with practical suggestions. One of his best initiatives was introducing DevSync meetings, a space where developers can discuss challenges, share knowledge, and review code together. It really helped us grow as a team. I think this is also this example of not just writing code by yourself, but also impacting growth of the whole team. What do you think?
Yes, and also by creating these DevSync meetings, like we can not only share the best practice, but
Mm-hmm.
thanks to this, we also have let's say technical stand up, because
Mm-hmm.
everyone introduce introduce team what have done, and thanks to that we don't have something like the one person is responsibility for this feature, but
Mm-hmm.
all the people of the project have knowledge of each features. And for example, when one person is on holidays or something like that,
Mm-hmm.
we remember that features from our meetings, and we can smoothly join to that features. And also, I think our DevSync meetings are helpful, because we also on these meetings facing technical depths and sharing the ideas to provide to our code base.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. When you told me about this sharing tasks and helping when somebody is off, I think this is also the big strength of JavaScript and React ecosystem, because one team can work on front end, back end, so it's very easy to split tasks within the team. So our next topic is impact of Next.js, of your role and your work on the project. Can you share some technical aspects? What is specific in Next.js or in React that helps you leading the project?
I think maybe not for the leading the project, but for our application, one of the biggest advantage of Next.js is that we use daily the pages routers and API routes, because our frontend operates as a proxy and allowing us to better control requests to the backend and prevent delays in the application. Thanks to these API routes, we have full control over which data is returned to our users, and this allows us to greater flexibility in creating dedicated endpoints optimized for the application needs. With Next.js providing this capability, we can deliver more refined and faster functionalities and don't overload the application. And I think it's also a good for long-term projects where process optimization can bring long-lasting benefits.
Okay. Do you use feature flags on the project?
No, for that moment, but we have this on our list like on our to-do list, because we thinking on the few last testing meeting to introduce feature flags.
Okay, cool, great. Do you have anything else to add about the technical aspects, or that's it?
About technical aspect, I think the Next.js is also the best for all small and big application, because as you said, it's like on JavaScript, so we can create also in the Next.js the backend, and we can use like in the latest version we can use server components and stuff like that, but also in the older versions we can use pages routes that we are using on our project, and like on one application, on one repository, we can have front end and the backend. And thanks to this, we as our front end team, we like create a proxy API to handling all our requests and creating amazing dashboard for our client.
Okay. Thank you, Kamil. I have few insights that might help companies willing to onboard team leaders. So, for example, when we were looking for a team leader, when we were recruiting Kamil, of course, we were checking technical skills, and so we have a big, performance review metric that we are also using for recruitment. So we scanned a lot of technical aspects, experience, but also for the technical role, it's very important to check the soft skills and have specific values or behaviors. So I think for the small team, very important is this growth mindset. So looking for new solutions to implement, courage to tackle challenges, because and also courage to lead, but also courage to express opinion of the whole dev team. I know that on this project you also have a backend team that is working on a bit different area, but you need to communicate. I think ownership is very important, and strong communication skills. Maybe this is obvious, but those things are pretty hard to check on the recruitment conversation. But also, when we saw that Kamil had previous teaching experience, it was a good indicator that Kamil is willing to share knowledge, and he wants other people to grow. And we think that's why he was perfect candidate for this role. So please check the technical stuff, check the values and the behaviors, And also, I suggest to look for previous experience related to teaching and impacting juniors to start work in IT. Kamil, maybe you have something to add how to how to get good team leader on the project, or you just want to say maybe your tips for people that willing to be team leaders in the future.
Maybe the better part for me is to give some tips for aspiring team leaders. Maybe I can share with you like 3 tips that helping me on my normal day, let's say. So first of all is have patience and understanding for your team members. In teamwork, things don't always go as planned, but client value is a key. Even if something isn't 100% perfect. Second one is manage your time well, because as a team leader you need to find a balance between coding and supporting the team and the client, and sometimes delivering the solutions quickly and effectively. It what matters most. And third, prioritize communication, because it's the foundation of effective teamwork and client relations. And good communication is often the key to success, especially in complex projects.
Thank you very much. Okay, so that's it for today. As a summary, I think, so let's do a short summary. I think leading Next.js dev team, it's about technical skills, soft skills, good processes, good technology stack, and as we see, JavaScript and React and Next.js helps with that. Anything else? Just to sum up, Kamil?
I like from my side, the the main skill, the main value for the leaders is communication, because like you said before, it's obvious, but this is the one that a lot of teams have a problem with this, because without good communication we have a problem in the code, we have a problem in our functionalities, we have a problem with a team. But I think when we place the communication on the first place, it always be good.
Okay, yes, I totally agree. Okay, Kamil, thanks for today. Do you have some final words, maybe for your team? Because I think they're going to watch this later.
For my team, thank you for the all good words that I hear, and I think that you like. For me, it's also good to have you, because it's like the success of project is not only by the leader or by the client, but everyone from the team working on this success. So I think thanks to Rafał, Marek, and Hetal, because of these people, we can bring new functionalities and manage our project better.
Nice, great. It's great to hear, and I think good leader is also a leader who is proud of his team. And I see you're the proud of the team, and I also have we have good feedbacks from the clients. So you're doing as a team very well. Thanks today, Kamil. Have a great weekend, and see you next time.
Have a great weekend. See you.
Bye bye.